The rise of platform engineering, and why DevOps is evolving. DevOps changed how software was delivered. It broke silos. It automated pipelines. It accelerated deployment. But something new is happening inside large enterprises. DevOps is evolving into platform engineering. Why this shift is happening? Because as systems scale, complexity explodes. Dozens of services, multiple cloud environments, security layers, compliance requirements. The real problem: developers are spending too much time managing infrastructure instead of building products. Platform engineering solves this. It creates internal developer platforms, IDPs, structured environments with standardized tools, golden paths, pre-built automation. From reinventing to reusing. Instead of every team reinventing infrastructure, platform teams build reusable systems. This changes careers. Traditional DevOps roles focused on pipeline management, automation. Platform engineering focuses on self-service infrastructure at scale, platform architecture, long-term system design. The new skill set: deeper system thinking, stronger architecture understanding, long-term design mindset. DevOps is not disappearing, it is maturing. The strategic advantage: professionals who understand this shift early position themselves at the center of enterprise transformation. The future of delivery: the future isn't about deploying faster. It's about building platforms others rely on.